lovers, I am Pradesh, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 263, ugly number. In this problem, an ugly number is positive integer whose prime factors are 1, 2, 3, and 5. If the number contains any other prime factor than it is not an ugly number. We have to return true if the given number is ugly, otherwise return false. Simply. Now, the main problem is how do we solve this? Notice that ugly numbers can only contain the prime factors. So if the number is ugly, we should be able to repeatedly divide it by 2, 3, and 5 until it becomes 1. If after removing all factors of 2, 3, and 5, number becomes 1, then it is ugly, otherwise some of other prime factor exist. Let's get into the code. Alright, prime. What are the prime numbers here? 2, 5. Now we just put in prime number. If our number is not prime, subtracted by divided with that's false. Like I guess there should be one more condition. If that's it for today. See you guys in the next video.